On my travels in America, at every deli, you can find a Reuben toasted sandwich, and for good reason. It tastes so good. It's all about getting the balance right when you're making it home. So you want salty corned beef or pastrami, the tanginess from sauerkraut, which is some fermented cabbage, a creamy sauce mustard, and of course, loads of cheese. You also need the earthiness from some rye bread, and rye is classic. So I'm just gonna grab a serrated knife, and I want two really large pieces. So I'm gonna cut straight through the center of this. If you can't find rye, any sourdough will work too. And then we're gonna cut these. You don't want them to be too thick or too thin. So 2 slices, and then we build it. So I like some mustard on mine, and traditionally it was done with some Russian dressing, but I like a Thousand Island dressing that has a nice combination of tomato sauce and the mayonnaise. So Thousand Island dressing can go on the other side, lots of it, just like so. And then we go on with our pastrami, and because it is the main ingredients, you can be quite generous with it. Just make sure that it's cut quite thin from the deli. Press that down. Sauerkraut next. And you can make your own, or the one from the jar is perfectly fine. In fact, it's fantastic. I'm a massive fan of sauerkraut, so lots on mine. And then the cheese, Gruyere or Swiss cheese, but just be generous with it. So 2 to 3 slices per toastie. And the best way to make a toastie, in my humble opinion, is in a toasting machine. You can do it in a pan, but I just find the consistency and even cooking is so much better in a sandwich press like this, because we've got the heat on the bottom and the top. Before we place it onto the sandwich press, we need to add lashings of butter all the way to the sides. I'm going to place that on, nice sizzle there, and then some butter on the top. And this is just going to give it a lovely sheen and make it really crispy. All right, press that down and we'll let the machine do all the work. As soon as you start to hear that little bit of sizzle, you know that that cheese is melted and it's ready. Oh, look at that cheese, so gooey, perfect. I'm just gonna carefully take it off and just line it up. I'm gonna cut it on an angle with a serrated knife. Always get a cleaner cut with a serrated knife. Oh, and have a look at that, so good. We'll place that onto a plate. The Reuben, there's a reason why it is still so popular, because it's perfectly balanced and irresistible.